Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to learn a total topic of science of class 10th of CBSE. Here today we study that is focus of convex and concave lens. Focus of convex lens and focus of concave lens. Dear student, you know here convex lens is converging lens and concave lens is diverging lens. You know what is in by converging lens and what is in by diverging lens. Dear student, it is necessary to know here that is which lens is convergence and what is in by convergence of light and which lens is diverging and what is in by divergence of light, because you know here this topic is essential, very important to study the defect in human eye, because we use the spectacle of convex lens and concave lens. Why we use the spectacle of, or when we use the spectacle of convex lens and when we use the spectacle of concave lens. Hence it is necessary to know that is a focus of convex lens and focus of concave lens. Look here, firstly we study that is a focus of convex lens. How we study the focus of convex lens here? Convex lens, look, that is convex lens is converging lens. Convex lens is converging lens. What is the meaning of converging lens? We can draw the diagram, and dear student, look here, you can draw the diagram in your notebook by using the geometry box strictly, not to draw the diagram directly by hands and using the pencil. You can use the geometry box, you can use the chalk in the geometry box, pencil and other instrument here to draw the lenses, mirrors and other in this topic. Look here, convex lens is converging lens is a very important topic here. Look here, we can draw this convex lens in this way. This is convex lens, and you know here we study the concept here, that is a optical center O, and look here in this way, here principal axis we call here C1 and here C2. Look, that is a light ray parallel to principal axis. Light ray parallel to principal axis in this way. All the light rays are parallel to principal axis, and you know your lens is a refracting surface. They refract from the lens, and you know to the next side, to the right hand, they can converge or meet at a single point. All the refracted rays are meet at a single point here. All the refracted rays meet at a single point, and you know here that point is called a focus of convex lens. Light rays are parallel to principal axis. All the refracted rays meet at a single point in front of the lens, you know, in a second circle. That is called a focus of convex lens, and in this way all the light rays can be collect at the same point. Hence you know convex lens is called a converging lens. Means light rays from the infinity parallel to principal axis, and after refraction they meet. Light rays are parallel to principal axis. After refraction they meet at a single point, and hence you know that is called a convergence of light. And you know here that convex lens is converging lens, and you know that all the light rays, refracted rays meet at a single point, and that is called a focus of convex lens. And this focus of convex lens, you know here in last video we can study here. Please watch all my videos to understand total topic step by step. In last video, in earlier video, we can study that is lens is a part of two interacting sphere. Here C2 is the center of second sphere and C1 is the center of first sphere. Hence this F, focus of convex lens, is into the second sphere. Hence it is called F2. focus of convex lens into the second sphere here, hence it is called F2, and that C2 center of second circle is called a 2F2. Same point, because lens is a part of two interacting sphere, hence same point at the same distance here, that is F1 is in a point in a first sphere, and here F2 2F1 is a center of that first sphere. Means F2 is the actual focus of the convex lens. It is in a second sphere, hence center of second sphere is called 2F2. Focus is called F2. Hence lens is a part of two sphere there. Hence you know are same at the same distance in first sphere, F1 and 2F1. Hence you know that is called a focus of convex lens. What is the definition of focus of convex lens? Look here, when light rays parallel to principal axis, light rays parallel to principal axis, a refracted rays meet at single point on principal axis, that point is called focus of convex lens. That point is called focus of convex lens. Means in this way, there is one question in your CBSE question paper, what is the focus of convex lens? Hence it is necessary to write the definition and draw the diagram, and you know here that convex lens is a converging lens. You can, I hope here you can completely understand why that is called a converging lens, because a light rays refract from the convex lens, they meet at a single point, they collide at a single point, all the reflected rays collide at a single point, hence that is called a converging lens or convergence of light. Then you know here we study the focus of concave lens. Look here, focus of concave lens. What is my focus of concave lens? How we study the focus of concave lens? Look here, concave lens is diverging lens. Concave lens is diverging lens. Means divergence of light takes place from the concave lens. Look here, we can draw the diagram. Here you know that is a concave lens. We study the definition of this concave lens. Here optical center O. Then in this way here principal axis. Here C1, here C2. Light rays parallel to principal axis in this way, and you know concave lens is diverging lens, that light rays diverge from each other in this way. They refracted rays goes away from each other. Light rays parallel to principal axis, after refraction refracted rays diverge from each other. In this way they get diverged from each other. In this way, that is concave lens is diverging lens. Then what is the focus? Imagine here, that is this two refracted ray appears to comes from a single point. Appears to comes from the single point, and it can be denoted by a dots. Appears to comes from the single point to the left side of the lens, and that is called a focus of concave lens. Means dear student, it is necessary to understand focus of convex lens is to the right side of the lens, and focus of concave lens is to the left side of the lens. Means here these two refracted rays appears to comes from the single point on the principal axis to the left side of the lens, and hence that is called a focus of concave lens. Hence focus of concave lens in a first pair there. Hence you know that C1 is called a 2f1. Means f1 is the focus and 2f1 is the center. At the same distance, because lens is a part of two sphere, hence is the same distance in second sphere. Here f2 and that center at the same distance, that is a 2f2. Means in this way, that is a concave lens is a diverging lens, and you know here that is said to be the divergence of light, and here this is the diagram of concave lens. Means you know what is the definition of that focus of concave lens. Look here, light rays parallel to principal axis, refracted ray diverge from each other, but they appears to comes from a single point on the principal axis. That point is called a focus of concave lens, and focus of concave lens is to the left side of the lens. Means look here, what is the focus of concave lens? When light rays parallel to principal axis, refracted rays diverge from each other and appears to comes from single point is called focus of concave lens. Focus of concave lens means in this way we study the focus of convex lens and focus of concave lens. Then you know what is the mean by focal length. The distance between optical center and focus of the lens is called focal length. Distance between optical center and focus of the lens is called a focal length. Means in this way, here that is the topic of focus of convex lens and concave lens. Thank you.